Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mr. Electron 007. Today I'm back with one more fan. Today I'm going to review this fan and show you completely how the parts are. This is Orient Snowfall Pedestal fan. Orient Snowfall Pedestal fan. You can check this. You can check this code number also. There are two types of snowfalls pedestal fans in Orient. One is the low speed like this normal one, regular one, and the one is high speed one. The high speed one has blades sharp at the corners like that. Looks it as performance is almost till 2000 rpm in this. This has rpm of 1300 rpm like that of the high flow and high flow wave also I showed you. And this 16SA01. This is the model for the low speed one. This is from the year 2014. This Orient pedestal fan was purchased just for an experiment, and now I'm using it. Actually, this is the metal guard. Here there were three strips of metal. They broke accidentally. So let's see the fan. So guys, first I would like to say that this fan is from Orient, and as people have told that Orient fans are not good, they burnt very easily and very quickly, and rewinding is required again and again to every Orient fans. First I did not believe, then when I owned this time to time, and then after using it for 4 years in 2018, in 2018 December somewhat in 2018, this burnt. This was at my father's office. I did not get to know. I have one more pedestal fan I will show you of Crompton Windflow. This and the Crompton Windflow were purchased on the same day. They were used side by side, and means they were equally treated, means no fan was scared more, and they were cleaned regularly and all. Don't know why this burnt. This proves that Orient winding is poor. I would like to say this is a rebound now. This was rebound in 2019 mid somewhat, and still I am using it. It's 2020 now, 1 year with new winding, and actually the Orient gave winding with low speed. This winding is improved. If I switch it on speed number 1, earlier the speed was slow. Now after winding, I asked him to wind it to so that speed is more. Let's see this. The condition is okay, like not bad, not good. It's quite dusty. This is dirt, not any scratch or nothing. This is the oscillation knob, as you know. This is sensitive, and as you can see here, this is broken, which fixes on this. This is there. This is loose, very loose. This is loose because when I gave it to Wellington person, he while rewinding it, one from that side broke, and actually the condition was destroyed actually at the shop. It's while using it at the shop, and as I showed, this was a bit cracked. Here these were broken. This is the Orient logo. Color is faded, as you can see. These are the speed buttons. Guys, listen, the electrician to whom I gave for rewinding, by mistake he has replaced the buttons, and so as you can see here 3, but this is on speed 1. Now 1 speed is on, but actually it is on speed number 3. So guys, let's check out the performance, and then I will totally dismantle the fan and show you the motor and capacitor from inside, and let's get continued. First let me show you the performance. Speed number 3 directly. Its speed is okay. Airflow. Oscillation is very slow, as I told. Oscillation is too slow due to some problem, don't know why. And oscillation was also damaged, and this gearbox also here it was damaged. I replaced it. Orient's gearbox is not quite good. Orient's oscillation also goes bad. Don't know why. Rewinding and oscillation of Orient are quite okay, and after taking care also, if this winding goes and the gearbox damages, then no one can just maintain this well. Airflow is nice. See the suction from behind is attracting the curtain itself, not bad. And I can say that my high flow and high flow rating is performance then goes. And you can see while rotating it's bouncing at one side. That's because the gearbox is not original, and some of the Wellington person tried to fix this. Actually this model's gearbox is changed. This is old model, and nowadays the gearboxes are not there. So he tried to put it, and it's a bit moving because I need to type that. It's vibrating. It's like in average condition, means the plastic not condition and all, it has become yellowish, guard is broken and all. Speed number 3, I will stop it. This is speed number 1, it's too low according to me. Speed number 2, speed number 3. Now let's open the fan. Guys, see this. I've got the motor. Now let's open this plastic first one, this part, and then we'll get the motor. It's a bit hot. Now it was working. This is the oscillation one. These are the wires coming from the winding, and it is not quite good. The capacitor is here. Don't know if you can see the specifications. Capacitor soldered connection is there to one of the side here. This is completely rewired as the winding is changed. You can see the copper winding inside, fresh winding, only 1 year old. So guys, now let me show you winding from that side and all other parts. I will not open after this. Actually it's good and no need of installing it more. Here is the oscillation. Here the screw, as you can see on the oscillation, this is not the original screw. The original screw I lost it, so I have fixed this screw. Original screw I lost while repairing this some part, because some part was done by the electrician, a Wellington person, and other rest of that I did, and that screw was too small, and actually that was not good also. So this is quite good. So down here with this screw it's working. Now let me open this as far as possible. So guys, as you can see, this tape was installed by me as I told. I've removed the front cover. This small pin is for the blade to set in, as you know. See the winding. Quite good. Here everything is right, quite good. The motor is not quite big. See, this shaft is quite good. It's hot. I'm not opening it. It's really hot because it was working since last 2 hours, so I won't touch it. It's really hot. Stator and all, as you can see from here and the other front side. Now let me clean the fan, this parts, and let's install this again and let's see the work. So guys, as you can see, we have cleaned the fan completely as far as possible. This is the parts are set and to clean the properly. This was completely black surface area. Now it's clean. Just the dirt is from the both side. After remaining, it's difficult to remove. Yeah. This part, as you can see down there, this is not the grease. This is rusted. This part is rusted, so this is not the grease. So this is here. I have cleaned that part till now because that here is the stand part. This is the guard locking. This is the blade locking. This is the orientation of the metal rod of height, and this is the Orient logo. So guys, complete. I will make it dry and let's assemble it as soon as possible. So guys, this is completely clean the fan installed. This screw here. This is important because this keeps this and this fine. This is like how in ceiling fans we have rod and the canopy. Consider this is canopy and this is the downward. Because of the tightening screw or else the grip. This is like this only. This does not come down, but the thing is that when the fan falls, this will get apart and it will cause injury to the fan. So this is necessary for the fan. So guys, now let's test out the fan. Let's put the power cord. On the power cord it's mentioned Orient PSPO. Original, it's not a change. Well maintained, like Orient or original. Guys, now it's down. This is the average on this page. Bush is also good here, no problem with the bush. So guys, if you like the video, please like it, please share it with your friends, and please let me know if you have things to ask. And soon I will be back with one more video. So guys, let's subscribe to my channel and don't miss out the videos and notifications, and for that press the bell icon. Thank you guys, bye.